And now I'm going to talk about grounds for divorce. I'm licensed here in Texas, so I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the grounds for divorce as it pertains to Texas law. Here in Texas, you can file for divorce and it doesn't have to be anybody's fault. You don't have to point the finger. And that's called a no-fault divorce. It simply means that two people aren't getting along anymore and they want to break up. So here's the deal. Most people are breaking up for a very specific reason. Somebody cheated on somebody else, somebody committed fraud or stole money, or maybe just the fights are so bad and there's a whole long list of ugly facts and terrible stories about why this couple is breaking up. But just because you're not getting along and it's highly dramatic and terrible doesn't mean that you qualify for a fault-based ground, especially in Texas. Now, adultery is something that is a fault-based ground, and you could plead and claim that in your divorce case, but it's not necessarily going to get you an automatic slam dunk win. If you have cruel treatment is a technical term of art. There's a couple of things that specifically need to happen, and it needs to rise to a very serious level in order to be taken seriously by a court. So I just wanted to let you guys know it's a little bit more complicated than it sounds. And just because something sounds like adultery or fault or cruel treatment doesn't necessarily mean it translates to that definition when you're filing for divorce. So talk to your attorney and know that 9 times out of 10, you're probably still going to file on that no fault based grounds for divorce.